Hello, fellow creators. Welcome back to Season Pickersz, the hub of creative inspiration. Today, we're delving into the magical realm of Photoshop, and specifically, we're going to unlock the secrets of various brush techniques that will add an extra dash of enchantment to your digital canvases. Before we dive deep into the artistic abyss, let's start with the basics. The brush tool is your virtual paintbrush, but did you know it can do way more than just color? We're talking about opacity, flow, and hardness. Adjusting these settings gives you the power to create everything from subtle gradients to bold strokes. It's the foundation of your digital artistry. Now, let's explore the diverse world of brush types. Photoshop offers a treasure trove of brushes, from soft round brushes to textured ones. Each brush type brings a unique flavor to your artwork. The soft touch of a watercolor brush or the precision of a custom shape, the possibilities are endless. It's like having an entire art store at your fingertips. Ever wondered how artists achieve those seamless blends in their digital paintings? It's all about mastering the art of blending. Photoshop provides various techniques like smudging and using the mixer brush to seamlessly merge colors together. Watch as the colors dance and blend on the canvas. Blending adds a touch of magic to your digital paintings. Now, let's talk about texture and detail. Photoshop brushes can mimic the texture of real-world surfaces, like canvas or paper. Plus, detail brushes allow you to add intricate elements to your artwork. Feel the texture under your virtual fingertips and bring your creations to life with fine details. It's the little things that make a masterpiece. The beauty of these brush techniques lies in your ability to combine them, creating a style that is uniquely yours. Experiment, play around, and let your creativity flow. Your digital canvas is your playground. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They often lead to the most unexpected and beautiful discoveries. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of brush techniques in Photoshop. If you're ready to level up your digital art game, dive into these techniques, experiment, and let your creativity soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop adventures, and hit that bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in to Season Pickersz. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.